You want me to video it?
It's video.
Oh, okay.
Who's Mr. Pony?
She's right here.
Oh, cool.
She's going on her first elevator ride.
Oh, he's still here.
Go outside and sit for a while.
Okay, sit down there. You're a good girl.
You want me to come in with you?
Sure.
Okay. She's not going to kick me, right?
No.
She gets startled.
No, she'll be alright. She's usually pretty good at new things.
Alright. What's going on?
Yeah, she's just like, what are all these new smells? This?
She nailed it. Come on, pretty girl.
You're on a whole different floor now. Do you work here a lot?
Every day.
Every day.
That's our little family business.
How'd you get into it?
My dad.
Oh, very well.
Yep. About like 18 years ago. I was 12 years old getting off the school bus.
Oh, cool. Come on, Fire. Go back down.
You want me to keep it rolling?
Sure. Come on, Fire.
Where'd you get fire?
Oh, I got her at a place down in southern West Virginia. About 6 hours away.
Well, she just stays that big?
Mm-hmm. She's full grown.
How old is she?
Year and a half.
Oh, wow. So she's still like a baby.
Yeah, I guess you could say that. I guess they're considered babies or young until about 4
What
or
kind of
5.
breed?
Miniature Appaloosa.
Okay. Oh, she digging. Come on.
Come on,
Good
Fire.
job.
You did real good.
That was awesome. Well, there you go. I actually don't know how